Okay guys, so welcome to the next video in our series. Today we're going to make Tim's version of a chai. I'm going to show you the thing that I think is really key about getting chai right. For me, chai really reminds me of experiences in India, sitting down with your 5 rupee tea, you know, a couple of pennies for your tea, and you sit there chatting to the locals. So for me, chai is always sweet. Cardamom and the cloves in a pestle and mortar, healthy handful, the more the merrier. In she goes. Doesn't matter if they're small or large, to be honest. You just want to crack them open a little bit so that when we start to brew our tea, all those lovely flavours come out. That will do. Lovely jubbly. Chop our ginger. Not too small, not too large. So we're going to use about a pint and the same equivalent of water. I tend to use about 50-50. So a medium to low heat. We've put in our cloves, we've put in our ginger, we've put in our cardamom. We want to put in some cinnamon, big pinch of cinnamon. I like to put the sugar in after that's begun to brew a little bit. Chai is traditionally sweet. I'm going to put a nice handful in. Tim's top tip really in terms of making chai, black tea in the water, brew that separate. All your spices and your sugar in with your milk. Any teapot, one for me, one for my friend, one for the pot. So we can leave that in there just to brew away. The way you can tell when it's ready is when you have a froth come on the top. Yeah, that's good to go. We're now going to mix them together in the big pot. You may have seen pictures of the chai wallahs pouring their tea from really high up and just getting oxygen inside it all. Theorise that maybe the air inside it then helps react with all the spices as well and sort of gives it a bit more flavour. I like to do this 3 times, okay? Nice and high. That's giving a nice frothy bubble inside the chai mix. Oh, that is looking lovely.